connections made here are for fully pneumatic circuit. Now here the circuit is the forward stroke of start, forward stroke of first cylinder, forward stroke of second cylinder, then backward stroke of second cylinder and backward stroke of start button. Press switch, forward, backward and backward. Here if you see, there are two roller operated valves placed and here also two roller operated valves are placed. Now these two roller operated valves are operational when there is a fully pneumatic circuit going on. And the switches which are shown here, that is limit switches, these limit switches will be operational at the time of electro-pneumatics. Presently it is just dummy, but under working these two valves are there. Now if suppose I press this, forward, backward and backward. The backward stroke of both the cylinders are slow because we have shown here, we have placed here the flow control valve. Because of this, the backward stroke is slow. You can observe here. Forward stroke fast and backward strokes are slow. On air connection is single cycle. Again I will press another cycle. On the pneumatic kit board, if you see, there are two cylinders and the limit switches are placed at the initial position and the final position of the stroke. You can see the power supply where from the MACB line 230 volt is taken and that 230 volt is converted to 24 volt and that 24 volt connections are given to the relay panel having press buttons. See the electrical ladder diagram where the first ladder is of start button. Now according to this circuit I will press the button start here. Now I am going to press the button start. See the stroke A1, B1, B0, A0. A1 means forward stroke of first, forward stroke of second, backward of first. Now I will press the button. Here the circuit is electro-pneumatic circuit for single cylinder. For a cycle start A1, A0 will be continuously on. Now I am pressing the button start. The cycle is now on A1, A0. Now this cycle will stop when I will press the button stop. And it will come to its original position, that is A0, and then it will stop. Now I am pressing the button stop. This is PLC panel. Here all the connections shown at the top, that is I00, I01, I02, I03, I04, I05 and so on. It is the inputs to be taken from limit switches. At the center, the PLC of the make Allen Bradley is shown at the center. Then to the left of the PLC, the input positive DC and negative DC current is shown, which is taken from the power supply panel. Now we have to press the button, green button on, so that the cycle can start. Now this PLC panel wiring is connected to the pneumatic board where we are running the cycle through PLC, that is A1, B1, B0, A0 stroke. Now here the inputs are taken from right side of the panel to the PLC panel. Outputs are given from PLC to the connections given on the pneumatic board. All the air connections are made through the directional control valve operated by solenoid A10 as well as solenoid B1B0 for two cylinder, that is cylinder A and cylinder B. Now I will press the button on the PLC panel, that is green colored button. I will press that button. Now the cycle is operating as per the program can see A1, B1, B0, A0. Now this will be continuously on. Once to stop the cycle, I will press the button stop.